Let us recall the basic knowledge about earthquakes. Earthquakes are the shaking, rolling, or sudden shock of the Earth's surface. They are the Earth's natural means of releasing pressure. Earthquakes can be felt over large areas, although they usually last less than 1 minute. Earthquakes cannot be predicted. What is a seismometer? Seismometers are used to measure the magnitude of earthquakes. You are unlikely to feel a magnitude 3 earthquake, but a magnitude 6 earthquake could potentially cause a large amount of damage. Now about aftershocks. After the big earthquake, the main shock, there may be many small quakes. These are what we call aftershocks. These are what you need to do during an earthquake. During an earthquake, if you are indoors, you need to drop, cover, and hold on. First thing to do is you need to drop under heavy furnitures such as a desk, table, bed, or any solid furniture. Second, you need to cover your head and torso to prevent being hit by any falling objects. And lastly, you need to hold onto the object that you are under so that you will remain covered. Now, if you can't get under something strong, or if you are in a hallway, flatten yourself or crouch against an interior wall. Stay away from windows and shelves with heavy objects. If you are at school, get under a desk or table and hold on. Face away from the windows. And if you are in a wheelchair, lock the wheels and protect the back of your head and neck. What to do if you are outdoors? Stay outside and don't dare to run to not cause any more injuries. Go to an open area away from buildings. If you are in a crowded public place, take cover where you won't be trampled. However, if you are in a vehicle, pull over to a safe place where you are not blocking the road. Avoid bridges, overpasses, underpasses, buildings, or anything that could collapse. Stop the car and stay inside. Listen to your car radio for instructions from emergency officials. Do not attempt to get out of your car if downed power lines are across it. Wait to be rescued. Here are the do's and don'ts during an earthquake. Here are the following things that you need to avoid during an earthquake. Doorways. Doors may slam shut and cause injuries. Windows, bookcases, tall furniture, and light fixtures. You could be hurt by shattered glass or heavy objects. Elevators. you are in an elevator during an earthquake, hit the button for every floor and get out as soon as you can. Coastline. Earthquakes can trigger large ocean waves called tsunamis. Downed power lines. Stay at least 10 meters away to avoid injury. Remember to keep calm and survive an earthquake. Preparedness is the only way we can combat a natural disaster. Earthquake preparedness is a must. Let us support and cooperate during an earthquake drill in order to survive and save lives. Thank you. This has been Ira Dalidig saying, Iba ang may alam.